Easy installation. Features horizontal and vertical angle adjustments for perfect projection. Cable management. Fits most projector brands. Durable construction. Adjustments. Low-profile flush ceiling mount, easy installation and cable management. This projector mount works with both regular and sloped, vaulted ceilings. Features horizontal and vertical angle adjustments for perfect projection. Projector compatibility. Universal design that fits most projectors in the market. If your projector weighs more than 29.7 pounds, this mount will not work for your projector. Adjustable extension arms are included and they extend up to 400 mm to fit wide array of projectors. Specifications. Maximum weight supported, 29.7 lbs. 13.5 kegs. Color. White. Ceiling supported, regular wooden ceilings or concrete ceilings. This projector mount supports both regular and sloped ceilings. Pitch angle adjustment, -15 to +15 degrees. Roll angle adjustment, -15 to +15 degrees. Swivel, 360 degrees. Vertical tilt, 0 to 90 degrees. Top reviews from the United States. Versatile mount, best for the price. Excellent build quality, the instructions were clear and the mount is a solid product. Easy to set up and it included all the screws and washers for multiple variations of projectors. Exactly what I needed.